Anybody have an understanding of how to sell or commercialize a patent? I have a Canadian and a US patent on my invention, which is in the oil drilling sector. It's been 3 years since it was granted, and I haven't done anything with it. Trying to commercialize it and make it a reality. Yeah, I can imagine this is the type of invention where what has to do with like oil drilling, probably a high cost to make it, right? Engineer it and get this thing built. And so it's likely why you haven't, maybe it's a capital issue, haven't been able to raise enough funds to go bring it about. So in this case, licensing is a very viable option. The best way to go on this is to put together a valuation. And if you've got a third party that can help you do this, there are companies that can value your patent based on a market-based approach, even pre-revenue. So you can go have a discussion, create a sales sheet, if you will, and use a broker. Bold Patents offers a brokering service like this to go out and communicate on your behalf and share the valuation, share the marketability assessment, or what your invention covers. There's a second approach, which tends to be a bit more, I'd call it mean. It's a trolling effort where you can look for and spot infringers. So if you stay close, monitor the market in oil drilling, you might be able to find those that are kind of creeping up to or actually nearly infringing your patent. And you can then begin the conversation that way. There are ways to approach that by writing nice enough letters to let them know, hey, you might be getting close to infringing. I'd like to do business with you instead. How about we partner up and bring this to market in the right way? So those are kind of two thoughts from the patent side on how to commercialize in this area.
Yeah. I mean, going to market's always hard, right? You need like subject matter expertise. So I always tell clients to put together some sort of board of advisors with people who have subject matter expertise in the field that you're trying to get into. And those folks are going to be probably your first investors anyway. So
yeah,
have double duty for commercialization and capital raising.
Yeah, good deal.